Clearly, the war on drugs, while touted as the formidable solution to the country's drug menace, had resulted in the systematic violation of our constitutional rights to life, human dignity, and due process. Ang sagradong buhay na tanging bigay ng buong may kapal ay hindi kailanman dapat pawiin ng sinuman. Ang sabi po ng Diyos, thou shalt not kill. But the war on drugs resonated a policy of kill, kill, kill. As the former president has always said, shoot them dead. The role of leadership in a culture of impunity. How did we get here? Paano